Discover the joys of this mouth-watering recipe for Vatrushki. Start with some warm milk, dry yeast, and a bit of sugar to create a bubbly starter. Combine melted butter, fresh eggs, salt, and vanilla sugar to make a delicious dough. Don't forget to knead it well. For the scrumptious filling, mix cottage cheese, an egg, sugar, vanilla sugar, and some plump raisins. Shape your dough into balls, add the filling, and create lovely sections on top. Bake them until golden brown, and you'll have delightful, fluffy treats perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the wonderful taste of homemade Vatrushki. Check the description for full details.